American Language Course Placement Test. Form 1R. Part 1. Listening. Directions for questions 1 through 25. You will hear questions on the test tape. Select the one correct answer, A, B, C, or D, and mark your answer sheet. Do not write on the test booklet. 1. The instructor asked, "Are you going to the dance?" The student said, "I'd like to, but I have to study." What did the student mean? 2. Lieutenant Jones was told to report to the commander at 1:15. When does he have to be there? 3. You should consult your dictionary. What should you do with it? 4. Bob has a new bench vise in his workshop. What does he use it for? 5. Barbara is going to New York by plane. What is Barbara planning to do? 6. What color is your coat? 7. I heard the men talking about the snack bar. What were they talking about? 8. What month comes right after July? 9. If Jack has an appointment with the dentist, what is probably the matter with him? 10. Lesson 1 is easier than Lesson 2. Which lesson is less difficult to learn? 11. Elisa asked, "What is your given name?" What name did she want to know? 12. The clerk said, "I don't think this suit needs any alterations." What did the clerk mean by alterations? 13. If the teacher asks you a question, what should you do? 14. They are going to Chicago by jet. How will they get to Chicago? Today is Friday. I will see Mary tomorrow. When will I see Mary? Why did Sam go to the airport? What is a mailbox used for? Tom was pleased with the acceleration of the car. What was he pleased with? My friend lives in a spacious house. Where does he live? Joe bought a new horn for his car. What did he buy? Mr. Jones said, I hope Henry will get in touch with me. What did Mr. Jones want Henry to do? Sam glanced through the book. What did he do? Bill said, that wire is not insulated. What did he mean? Who used this book originally? How far is it to the school? Directions for questions 26 through 50. You will now hear statements on the test tape. Select the one correct answer, A, B, C, or D, and mark your answer sheet. 26. On Saturdays, the traffic is heavy downtown. 27. The air in this room is invisible. "28. John noticed the crooked line. "29. This metal is flexible. "30. This radio functions properly. "31. The main speaker for the convention is a famous person. "32. The teacher introduced a new student to the class. "33. The carpenter is drilling in the board. "34. He hears a strange noise. "35. I am going to purchase this car. "36. On his way home, Bill ran into John at the drugstore. "37. The lights are blinking. "38. We eat a variety of vegetables every day. "39. We were very fortunate to get tickets for the game. "40. Mr. James is a commercial pilot. "41. Doug is an eager worker. 42. Mr. Smith looked up his friends. 43. I feel weak today. 44. I'll give you a ring sometime after 7 o'clock tonight. 45. Lee sent a letter to his mother. 46. The student failed the examination. 47. Johnson went to the post office and cashed his money order. 48. The wire is twisted. 49. This sentence looks like a puzzle to me. 50. Mr. Bell said, "Please give me some soap." 'Directions for questions 51 through 60. You will hear dialogues on the test tape. Select the one correct answer, A, B, C, or D, and mark your answer sheet. 51.
What did the doctor say, Bill?
He told me to cut out smoking.
What did the doctor tell Bill?
52. Susie, would you rather go to the movies or the skating rink?
I like to skate, but I'd rather go to the movies.
What did she mean? 53. How is your son doing in school?
He is highly motivated in his studies.
What did the woman say about her son?
54.
Will you repair this tire for me?
I would replace it instead of repairing it.
What did the man mean?
55.
You'd better put that food in the refrigerator right now.
Why?
It spoils easily.
What did the woman mean?
$56. How was your trip?
I had a painful experience.
What kind of an experience was it?
$57.
Do you have bacon and eggs for breakfast?
Occasionally.
What did the man mean?
$58.
What's the matter, Jim?
I'm getting tired.
What did the man mean?
$59.
Do you work all the time?
We have 2 breaks a day.
What is a break?
$60.
Bill, did you go to the game with John?
I thought I would, then I changed my mind.
What did Bill mean?
This is the end of the listening part of the test.